How's your day? Okay, hope that you are fine today. So today is Tuesday, our computer. So I'm your teacher again, Teacher Eden. We are on our third quarter. We are on our week 2. Our lesson for today is all about opening and closing a program window. So listen very carefully as I explain to you what is opening and closing a program window. Okay? So, one of the features of Windows program is it is multitasking ability. So multitasking means running different programs at the same time. So, but how do you open, restore, and close running programs? So, let's take a closer at your program windows. Okay? So, we will find all the programs on how to open and close a program window. Okay? So, we'll show you different programs. Okay? Listen very carefully, children. Okay. So, these are the programs. Okay? So, the minimize button. So, here we go. You can see an arrow there. Okay? So, you can see an X that is close button. Okay? So, the middle is the minimize button. And that other side naman is the screen tip. Okay? So, this is the minimize button, the close button, and the maximize button. So, notice that there are 3 buttons on the upper right corner of the notepad. Okay, so how do you use those buttons? Okay, so I will explain to you what is minimize. So, listen very carefully, children. So, the minimize, this is button puts a program on hold and places it on the task bar. So, to reopen or activate a program on the task bar, you just click it. Okay? So, what is that, children? So, minimize, this button puts a program on hold and place it on the task bar. So, reopen or activate a program, you just click it. Okay? So, that is minimize button. Okay. Okay, so the maximize button. So, the maximize button, this button resize a program's window at its maximize or full screen. You just click it so you can maximize your windows or you can full screen. Okay, you just click this button. Okay. Okay, so that you can resize your program's window. So that is maximize. Okay. Okay. And the third is the close button. Okay. You just click the X or the close button. You just click the X button if you want to close the program that you are using. If you are done with your programs and you do in the computer, you just click the X. Okay? You can see the X there. Okay, very good. That is the close button. Okay. So that's the three button, the maximize button, the close button, and the maximize button. Okay? So I will show you another programs. Okay. That is the resize icon. You can see there the square. Okay, that's the resize icon. Okay? So listen very carefully as I read or as I explain what is that. Okay. Restore or resize. This button will restore a program's window to its original size. Okay? The original size of a window is smaller than the full screen size. Okay. So, resizing windows. Okay, that is the window that you see in your screen. Okay. So, when the restore button is clicked, you can click that in the arrow, the original size of the program window can be resized. Okay? Position your mouse point on the edge and edge part of your window. The mouse pointer runs into the double-headed arrow. Okay. When this arrow appears, click and drag the mouse button to stretch the program window in any direction. Okay? In any direction, you can click and resize each program. That is resizing windows. You can restore and you can click that window so that you can resize it. Okay? Okay, that's all about resizing windows. When you can restore and resize its program. Okay? So let's move. Okay, that's the title bar. Can see that the blue that is the title bar. Okay. Click and hold the left mouse button on the colored bar. Okay? Or the title bar at the top of the program, or you can see that the top of the program. Okay? While holding the mouse button, drag the windows to where you would like it be located. Okay, you can click that so that you can transfer it on the side and on your right and on the left. Okay? Remember that this is not possible when the window is full screen. Okay, you can see the image. That is the title bar. Okay? Okay, children. So, what's the three button? Okay, very good. The minimize, the maximize, and the close button. Okay, that's the three button. The maximize, the minimize, and the close button. And resizing windows, you can restore it to original size of the program can be resized. Okay? Then the title bar, you just click and hold the left mouse button on the colored bar or the title bar at the top of the program. Okay? So that's the blue one is the title bar. Okay. This programs is all about it's all about the opening and closing program windows. Okay? Our lesson is that this all about programs. The opening and closing programs. Okay, children? Okay. Do you understand our lesson, children? Okay, very good. If you have questions regarding to our lesson, feel free to chat me on my messenger. Okay? So thank you for your listening.